Hey y'all, I'm Sarah Morgan and I'm here in front of Suffolk Law School for the start of History Camp.
Good morning and welcome to History Camp 2024, the only event of its kind in the country.
It's a bunch of history nerds that all get together. I mean, when you think about it, 350 people are here because they're interested in history. You learn something a little bit more than what you get in the history books.
And then at each time slot, there's 6 to 8 different sessions to choose from a wide variety of presenters. They may be an ardent amateur all the way to a recognized author or professor. And so this happens once a year, and we call it History Camp Boston, it's really kind of the de facto national history camp. And we're excited. This will be a great year for us.
History Camp is such a unique experience that people come from all across the country to participate, and it's just such a wide variety of topics, everything from colonial times to the Revolutionary War, all the way up through the Nixon era. And I'm so excited to bring the Manhattan Project to present to all of the attendees. Most may associate the Manhattan Project with Los Alamos, but a small town in Tennessee, purposely hidden in the rural foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, was pivotal in the creation of the atomic bomb. Cooking Behind the Fence, which I will be referring to, is an amazing glimpse into the lives and stories of the women and families of the Manhattan Project.
Try it, because you don't know who you're going to meet. You don't know what time period or what piece of history is going to speak to you. I have notes from today that there are words from different ones that just sparked something in my head that I want to research more. You don't know, so give it a chance. Come, enjoy, and meet people. Just ask questions.
Where else do you have an opportunity to be surrounded by hundreds of people that aren't just curious but have a deep passion and have pursued that? So often people who come here they're perhaps volunteers in local historical societies or history organizations. They've gone to all the historic sites and so forth. So one of the things we hear is, I found my people. Here are people that share my passion, my curiosity, and they understand why, thus and such kind of, perhaps to others, very narrow topic is just a fascinating topic.
It's an awesome day of learning opportunities on a variety of topics to choose from. So no matter what you like, there's probably something for you. On Sunday, there's a whole variety of tours to choose from around the city and even out in other places in Massachusetts. Thanks y'all for joining me on a little look into History Camp Boston 2024. For more information, you can find me on my Instagram at Cooking with the First Ladies.